To operate a Midnight block producer in addition to a standard Cardano stateful, you must maintain continuously running services and one intermittent use component. So the PostgreSQL server provides a Postgres port for the Midnight node to follow the Cardano chain. And we have Cardano DB Sync, which synchronizes the PostgreSQL database with real-time Cardano blockchain data. Now, Cardano DB Sync indexes the Cardano database from a Cardano node. However, you may consider using existing Cardano node from your Cardano SPO setup. And the Midnight node maintains a consistent connection to the Postgres to follow the Cardano chain and produce blocks for the Midnight network. Additionally, Ogmios is used temporarily for specific partner chain CLI commands, such as submitting registration to the Cardano chain, but does not require continuous operation. In this video series, I'll be running Postgres, Cardano DB Sync, Cardano node, which is used by DB Sync, and Midnight node, all on a single machine. I will also target the Midnight testnet, which is a partner chain to Cardano's preview testnet, which requires much less system resources. Now, the system requirements are constantly evolving. Therefore, I'm going to recommend viewing the latest hardware requirements reference in the documentation. And again, you'll find links to all of this in the video description.